Hello everyone and welcome to What's Up with Richard. Today we're going to be making some open face burger sandwiches. So let's take a look at what ingredients we're going to need. First, you're going to need a mixing bowl. You're also going to need some marble rye bread. You're going to need some ketchup, mustard, salt, pepper. You're going to need some onion and about 1 pound of ground round. You're also going to need a baking dish. The first thing I'm going to want to do is cover each of the slices of marble bread with some mustard. And next we get to decorate each of the slices with some onion rings. As much as you want to put on there, as little as you want to put on there. We'll put these aside for a second. And we need to go to our next step, which is making our hamburger concoction. Start with our hamburger. We've got a half a cup of ketchup, and we're going to need some salt, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of pepper. And it's time to mix. We want to make sure that the ketchup, the salt, the pepper are thoroughly incorporated into our ground round. And we're getting pretty close here. And I think it's time for our next step. All right, I have my workspace cleaned up. I'll bring over our marbled rye bread with mustard and onion. And next what we're going to do is coat each of the pieces of bread with our ground round mixture. Now we have to make sure we get enough on there because as it cooks we're going to have some shrinkage. That looks real good. Now it's time to put them in the broiler. And there we have the finished product. Now for cook time and more information about the recipe, go ahead and look at the description below. Hey, and while you're at it, take a look at the recipe in the upper right hand corner. It might be another one you might just enjoy. And as always, thanks for watching What's Up with Richard.